Breakdowning a simple Python program step by step. This program is designed to take in some basic information from a student. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Collecting user information. The program begins by asking the user to input their name, semester, city, and PIN code. Input prompts. Here, we have 4 input prompts. The user is asked to enter their name, semester, city, and PIN code. Example. User input. My name is Raj, I'm in the 3rd semester, I live in Mumbai, and my PIN code is 4001. Step 2. Storing user input. After the user provides this information, Python stores it in 4 variables: name, sem, city, and PIN code. Variable storage. Each piece of information is stored in a variable for later use in the program. Example. Variable values. For example, name now contains Raj, sem contains 3, city contains Mumbai, and PIN code contains 4001. Step 3. Printing user information. Now let's print out this collected information. Printing user information. We're going to display the user's name, semester, city, and PIN code on the screen. Example, program output. When we run the program, it will output Python student name, Raj semester, 3, city, Mumbai, PIN code, 40000001. And there you have it, a simple Python program that collects and displays a student's information. This program can be a building block for more complex applications, such as student databases or registration systems. Feel free to explore and modify this code to suit your needs. Python is a versatile language with endless possibilities. Thank you for joining us in this interactive content. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Python programming, happy coding. For full information technology content, be with
OMTEJAS.